paradise, but you can tell us all about it when you arrive. I never want to hear myself say, why didn't I keep going or see it coming? It's always someone else's fault. Why didn't I hold on to, I let it slip away? These are the words that I want to hear myself say.